One morning, a shop owner opened his shop and saw a homeless man sleeping in front of the entrance. Annoyed, he shouted, "Get out of here!" The next day, the same thing happened. The homeless man was there again. Furious, the shop owner yelled once more, "Get out of here!" On the third morning, when he found the man sleeping at his entrance yet again, the shop owner's anger boiled over. The next morning, the shop owner noticed the homeless man wasn't there. An old lady from the neighboring shop told him, "You're looking for him? Don't you know? He's long gone." The homeless man had returned and fought off the thieves, but he was badly injured. He died protecting the shop. The shop owner was devastated. He had been cruel to the very man who had saved his shop and lost his life doing so. If you believe in kindness and treating others with respect, please like this video and subscribe to the channel.